What is the difference between const and final? In this tutorial, we will have a deep look at these two essential keywords in Dart. Both const and final are used to make the variable static, meaning once it's declared, the state cannot be changed, or you can't do any operation on them. Then what is the difference? The value of final variable is determined in runtime, while the value of a const variable is determined in compile time. To explain it, we can look at this example. Here we have a final variable which we get the current date. So as we know, a final variable is determined at runtime. So anytime we run the code, we will have the current date and there is no problem. Here we have 2023. But if I go ahead and change the final into a const, in this case we will have error. The reason is that datetime.now is not a const expression. So we get the result that const objects must be created from the data that can be calculated at compile time. 1 plus 2 is a valid const expression, but datetime.now is not. The second difference is that final is mutable, while the const is immutable. For example, when we have a final list of numbers, I can add or remove any value to this list. So I can go ahead and add a number of 5 to this list of numbers. And right now, when I run the code, this 5 will be added to this list. But if instead of final, we have const, and when I run the code, we will get a compile time error. And the reason is that you cannot modify, add or remove any value from a const variable. So as a result, final means single assignment and const means immutable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.